What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to quickly show you how to turn on post notifications for somebody's Snapchat story. Now, once you have your Snapchat open, you're just going to go over to the person's story that you want to turn notifications on for, and then hold down their story, and then it should bring you up a menu as you see here. You're just going to hit more, the second option from the bottom, and then from the bottom again, the third one up, you're going to see a button for story notifications, and you can just hit the lever on that, and then it'll enable the story notifications for you. And then anytime somebody posts on their story, once you do this, you'll get a notification on your phone, and you can check it out right away. If you have any questions or were confused by this tutorial, don't forget to leave a comment down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and also read the description because there's some very important information down there. You won't want to miss it.